I've had the privilege of testing out the Reolink 2K battery doorbell. It's actually operating right now, even though it is not connected to anything. So Reolink is actually celebrating their 17th anniversary. And as they do that, they sent me one of their devices to try out. I received the battery version of their doorbell camera. I want to start with the thing about this doorbell that actually excites me the most about using it. And that is that you can do most of the things with it without a subscription. It's going to be very functional. And so once you've paid for the doorbell, that's all. You're not paying for anything else. So that is contingent upon putting an SD card in it. And so it has an insert on the back where you're going to put a storage card so that you locally store your video, and then it's yours. So you're going to be able to access it. Its detections, its main detections are also included in your using of the doorbell. So many of the other doorbells that are out there, you have to pay a subscription in order to get the package detection or other things that they advertise. With this one, you're not going to have to pay anything to be happy using it month to month. Camera on this doorbell is going to give you a 150 by 150 field of view. And so that's going to be good enough to capture most things that you need to see. So unlike the doorbells, which only get a headshot or a box, this will show almost everything around your door that you might be interested in seeing. And so it's a very good field of view, and it's a 2K resolution camera. It also offers night vision in order to be able to see in the night, and that's pretty important, right? If you're going to have a video doorbell, if someone rings it after dark, you're definitely going to want to see who's at the door after dark. So as a Wi-Fi doorbell, it's going to connect to either 2.4 or 5. And if you have Wi-Fi 6, then you don't have to worry about either of those. And whatever door you put it at, you're going to want to make sure that that area gets a good Wi-Fi signal. You see what comes in the box here, and just in terms of installation, you get everything that you need, and it's not going to be hard. So the hardest part about my installation is that it's on brick, and so I actually have a pre-installed wooden plate where I have put things like this, and so that makes it easier just to put up a doorbell because it's a wood than just a wood application. If you have brick, there are ways to do that. I'm not going into that in this video, but it's certainly doable. So what happens when somebody rings the doorbell or somebody comes to the door? Well, you get a notification. You get a notification on your phone, and you get to choose how those work. So if you want to get every notification, if you want to get some, and then if somebody rings the doorbell, you're going to get a notification. This system also comes with a chime that you plug in inside the house. And so that chime then is the inside sound with the doorbell so that you don't miss anything. So if you don't have your phone with you, or in my case, I'm the one who sets things up like this, then I'm not home and somebody rings the doorbell, how are the people in the house going to know somebody's at the door? Well, it comes with a chime that connects easily with it, and then you can set up that chime however you wish. But it plugs in inside the house at a convenient place for you. And then when the doorbell rings, you get the ring tone inside the house. You can also do quick responses. It could be your own voice.
Thank you for stopping by.
Or preset voices.
Hi there, I'm a bit tied up right now. Feel free to leave a message.
That's not me.
Feel free to leave a message.
Hi, please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later.
That's also not me. All right, let's talk about the battery, because that's a big question you're going to have. How long will the battery last? So the advertised battery life on this is roughly 5 months, and that's with about 20 events each day. So my house is a lot busier than that. And you may gawk at this number, but we have about 100 events at this door every day. And so as we're coming and going, a video doorbell is going to pick up a lot of motion and be giving a lot of notifications. And so you can adjust the doorbell to how much it's going to pick up, and that will help save some battery if you need to. So I can't tell you yet how long this one will last, but let me show you here the battery according to the app, and that's after about a week of using this doorbell. Again, really busy, so it's I could project based on this that it's going to last probably not 5 months for me, but again, I think my door is busier than the average door in terms of a household coming and going. So let's go in closer and ring the doorbell. See how quickly that comes up on my phone. 1, 2, 3. So within 3 seconds. By plugging in and linking this chime, you have a very audible indoor sound not tied to your phone. So let's take a look here at the app and what you can do in the app. A couple of things that I really like. First of all, you can box out an area that you don't want included in the video. And so where I live, I have a neighbor who's close by, and I don't want my video picking up his windows. You can also do a couple other things with this app that I haven't found on every app out there for smart doorbells. So one of the things you can do with this app is to set up a time in which it works or doesn't work. And so you can tell it when you want these notifications to come to you, and then basically it goes to sleep when you're asleep. So if you wanted to have the notifications set up until 10 p.m. and then it goes quiet, you can do that with the app and the calendar setting here. Another thing that you can do with the package detection in this app is to tell it the size of package that you want it to detect. So once the doorbell is installed, it's going to only release with its release key, which you just push through the little hole right here, and then it will come out in order to bring it in and charge it. Then its charging is protected under the cover here, but that's where you're going to plug it into a USB and charge it for probably a few hours to get it back to 100% before you reinstall it. So I hope that's a helpful look for you at what you get with this purchase of a Reolink 2K battery doorbell and what it will do, and just its size here and how it may function for you as a smart doorbell. And this really fits. This really fits my life, my desires, what I want in a battery doorbell. And again, to have that local storage and not pay for anything else, it's a good idea. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.